thunderstorm watch, effective until 2 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Albany, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Lyons, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands of Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds
There's
in
tropo.
and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, severe weather information and weather outlets. Following counties in Ohio and Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Milford, Ottawa, Sandusky, Joseph, Williams and Worth, and Montague, Reno Beach. Highs in the low after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s to 15 miles. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, rain 90%. Tonight. Thunderstorm Force County, Northern Hudson County, Northeastern Wales County, Northern Adams County, Western Defiance County, Albany County, Northwestern Van Wert County, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Butler to near New Haven to near Marple, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Has 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. Source: radar indicated. Tag: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tags include Plain, Hunting, Defiance, New Haven, Van Wert, Decatur, Auction, Antwerp, Woodburn, Oakville, Fee, Convoy, Aboy, Cedarville, Middletown, Oak, Middlebury, and Preble. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 0 and 30. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 288 and 321. Originating from the National Weather Office in Wilmington, Ohio, we interrupt our radio programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Hearing the official weather forecast in Central Ohio. So today, there are no thunderstorms likely. Thunderstorms may discuss with heavy rainfall. In the lower east, Colorado's wind to 15 miles an hour. Thunderstorms will check 90%. Tonight, partly cloudy. But showers and thunderstorms, mainly muggy. Lows in the 30s. South 10 to 15 an hour. Chance of 30%. Partly cloudy. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Showers and storms likely afternoon. Humid highs around 9%. Northwest winds 15 miles with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday night showers and storms in the evening. Showers with thunderstorms Saturday night. Muggy. Lows 70. West 10 to 15 an hour. Chance of 80%. One partly cloudy chance of showers, light thunderstorms. High around 80. North winds 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thunderstorm warning. Southeast County, County, Northern County, Southwestern Wood County until 9:05 a.m. At 9:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located on a line extending near Decatur to Buckner, southeast at 40 miles an hour. 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: were indicated. Expect mobile tree damage. which is likely for homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bern, Geneva, Monroe, Westchester, Wilshire, Veracruz, Trinity, Craigville, Vaughan, Leeds, Peterson, Petroleum, Fountain, Ava, Lynn, Domestic, New Cortland, and Curryville. Here is another statement. School warning for southeastern Kentucky, northern Adams County, southern County, Benworth, until 9:13 am. Severe storms were needed along the extending from Monroeville to the moving 35-mile mark. Hazard, 60 miles an hour gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Most impacted Van Wert, Decatur, Des, Colin, Monroeville, Convoy, Hill, Ohio, Middle, Preble, Point, Dick, Fort Jennings, Scott, Benville, Elgin, Cabot. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Outlays, York, and Mercer. Strong thunderstorms will impact of northern Outlays, Mercer counties to p.m. At 9 p.m., stronger storms were needed along them extending from Convoy to Montclair, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, gusts up 50 miles an hour, and pea-size hail. Thunderstorm warning, Outlays County, Mercer County, until 15 a.m. 9:07 p.m. Severe storms were needed along them extending from Convoy to nearby, moving east 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 6 miles an hour west, and penny of hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees, power lines. Roads impacted food, Stelline, Wappick, and St. Mary, Coldwater, Fort Shawnee, New Bremen, Minster, St. Cridersville, Recovery, Rockford, New Meadow, Moulton, Wabash, Chickasaw, Burkittville, Brooklyn, Martin, and Tama. This is a 75 Ohio between markers 113 and 118. National Weather in Northern England has issued Lucky, Radnor, National Weather, Ryerson, Cygnus, Portage, Jerry, Holyfield, West Rose, Fairstown, and Eastern Wells. Outdoors consider seeking inside of northeastern severe thunderstorms remain effective for northwest Ohio. Severe thunderstorms remain effective to the following counties in Ohio: Outlays, Jinkoff, Logan, Sir, 70 miles, Redwood, Wyandotte, waters of Lake from the islands to in Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch, likely conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage wind in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. for southwestern Cleveland and Van Wert counties. At 9 a.m., severe thunderstorm located on a line extending near Van Wert. Thunderstorms for Putnam County, southeastern Ward County, Allen County, Ohio, until 10:30 a.m. 9:46 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Odo Hill to near Spencerville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lima, Delphos, Ottawa, Lufkin, Fort Shawnee, Spencerville, Columbus Grove, Alida, Carolina, Pandora, Spencerville in Allen County, Cairo, Fort Jennings, Harold, Beaver Dam, Yoder, Westminster, Rushmore, Gomer, and Braemar. This includes Interstate 75 between mile markers 119 and 141. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties, Ohio, Auglaize, York, and Mercer. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions.
Seriously. Why are we going like at a snail's fucking pace? Yeah, that's the bitch I flipped off.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Well, then she's gonna end up fucking hitting somebody, ain't she? Dumb cunt. Jesus Christ. You know what? There wasn't even enough room for her to go. Where did she fucking think she was going?
Until 11 a.m. These and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Coldwater, Centerville, Cambridge City, Versailles, St. Henry, Arcanum, Hagerstown, Union City, New Paris, Fort Recovery, and
Or, you know, just those people that think they're privileged.
Dublin, Franklin, Webster, White Lakes, and Gettysburg. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 11.
I'm trying to.
Thunderstorm located along a line extending from Minster to New Madison, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 6 miles an hour with and pennies hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to tree power line. Locations impacted include Troy, Sydney, Sid City, West Milton, New Bremen, Worcester, Calvin, Newport, Bedford, Anna, Fort Laramie, Pleasant Hill, Hopkins, Harding, Union. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include
the light bulbs and the camera.
Forest, Arlington, Sycamore, Rawson, Van Louis, Marcells, Cary, Mount Blanchard, Wharton, Benton Ridge, Genera, Mount Corey, Kirby, and Williamstown.
I just got a spectrum alert that we have a power outage at our house. Estimated time from the phone 1 p.m.
Champaign County, Logan County, Northern Clark County, Western Union County, Ohio, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lakeview to near Piqua, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Bell Fountain, Urbana, New Carlisle, St. Clairs, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Lakeview, Bell Center, West Mansfield, General Park, Northwood, Goofy, Christiansburg, Rushsylvania, Northampton, and Hinsville. Here has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Champaign County, northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Logan County, western Clark County, Union, Ohio, and hazards. Heat advisory. 40 miles an hour. Source, radar indicated.
Impact. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Springfield, Dublin, Delaware, Hilliard, Marysville, Urbana, London, Jefferson, Powell, Plainfield, West Jefferson, Ridgewood, North Charleston, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Ashley, West Mansfield, Choctaw Lake, and New California. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 52
I like the
and
little
91.
stars on the belly.